Coach Vilma Sabulao, okay? Eagle V99 LGSEI Movement, now on live. So alam nyo ha, mga kalibgod na no, sa akin po mga kaibigan dyan sa Facebook, sa mga lahat ng nanonood po sa akin dito ngayon sa live, or mapasa YouTube man ito, mapost man ito sa YouTube, gusto ko lang pong sabihin ito sa inyo na napakadami po ng mga tao na ina-underestimate po nila yung pag-i-invite. Yung bang parang meron ka nang nasa isip mo na gusto mong i-invite pero hindi mo tinitingnan nyo na that one simple person na in-invite mo, pwede po yan ang magpaka-turn around ng negosyo mo. At hindi lang yon, siya din po ay pwedeng magbigay sa iyo ng magandang future. Okay? So for now, I'm going to show you why this is the key. Ito po yung susi para ma-unlock po yung massive success natin sa network marketing. So even if you are not in Live Good and you are doing network marketing, this simple topic that I'm gonna be sharing to you for tonight, no? For this afternoon, sorry, hindi pa pala gabi, no? So makakatulong po ito sa inyo. So ready na po kayo na i-take up nyo po yung business nyo to the next level? Ready na po ba kayo na ang buhay nyo ay gusto nyong dalhin to the next level of success? So, stay with me in a few minutes, okay? And your life, because I'm going to share to you that might break through, okay, sa buhay mo na ito na po yung pinaka-aantay nyo. Ready na po tayo, no? Right? So, ngayon, welcome to my live. Welcome to my Facebook live at hello sa aking po mga Live Good family. Time check now is 5:24 and I'm coming to you in live because we have something big happening tonight. Grabe, no? Meron pong mangyayari mamaya, kaya po ako nag-live ngayon. But before we go into it, no, I need to ask you something. Meron po akong gustong itanong sa inyo, no? And I'm gonna ask you this. Number one is, have you taken invitation talaga seriously? To be honest, maging honest po tayo. Naging seryoso ka ba sa negosyo mo na mag-invite ka talaga? Have you been into intentional? Have you been sincere? Have you been into purpose? Talagang alam mo yun na talagang yung sincerity na feel talaga ng puso mo. These are my questions. So, try to resonate sa puso mo kung nararamdaman niyo po yan, ano? And then, what else? Have you been truly reaching out with belief and urgency? Alam niyo ba, guys, no? Ako po ay guilty po dito, no? Because over a year, no? Over a year na po. Yes. Hindi na years, no? 2 years na po yata, no? Kasi in my Live Good business, I really stopped for a certain while in reaching out people. But the good thing is, may mga na-invite po akong tao na nakasabay ko that literally changed my life. And this is why I'm sharing you this. Na one person could literally change your life. And now, it's about time from now on na magkaroon po kayo ng solid belief, unshakable belief na mag-create din po tayo ng urgency. Okay? And what else, no? Or are you just sending casual messages and hoping for the best? Alam nyo, magkaiba po yun yung meron pong intentionality, yung meron pong energy, yung nararamdaman po ng kausap mo na sincere ka. Kasi minsan sa isang iglap mo, sa isang instance na pag-i-invite mo, hindi nila maramdaman, no? Yung intentionality mo, yung purpose mo. And don't you know, no? Like for example sa akin po, when my upline invited me, how many times, no? Si Crown Diamond Fernand Santiago, he kept on inviting me many times. He opted to call me many times. But I said no to him. Nag-no po ako. At sabi ko, I'm good with my company. But don't you know that when the timing of the Lord is so perfect to you, when I prayed February 10, He sent to me the powerful landing page. And I easily signed up on that moment, few minutes without any presentation, and it changed the entire scenario. And here am I. So it's just the same thing. So if you're just trying to invite, hello sa inyo pong lahat, no? Share po natin to, no? So I'm giving you these nuggets that if you're just trying to invite, you're already setting up yourself for failure. So kung nag-i-invite ka lang para makapag-invite lang kasi sabi ni Apply nag-invite, pero you are not into it, so ibig sabihin na hindi mo talaga ino-all out yung pag-i-invite mo para mo lang ina-attract yung failure. Ang labo, no? Pero so, ang gusto ko pong sabihin po sa ating pong lahat, invitation isn't just a task. Hindi po siya task. Hindi lang siya obligasyon. It's an art. It's a magic. It is a mindset. And it is a mission. Here we go again, ulitin natin. So, hindi po ito simpleng task lang. Hindi po ito simpleng routinary activity lang na parang gagawin mo lang because yan ay a part ng process. Pero, it's really an art. It's a mindset and it's a mission. So, again and again, I would like to reiterate, ano ba yung mission ni Live Good? It is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So, ibig sabihin, nandun po tayo para ipaunawa sa tao ano ang rason bakit sinishare mo sa kanya yung opportunity at bakit mo ito isinishare sa kanya. So, kung gagawin lamang po natin ang pag-share natin dito kay Live Good in alignment to the mission statement of our company, which is really product-driven, andun tayo sa dinededicate natin yung mag-educate tayo sa mga tao to educate them to become healthy. Okay? So that's a part of the mission. Okay, now, okay, are you with me? O sige, sa medyo comment muna tayo dyan. Baka meron pa akong hindi mga nababate. Magbigay naman po kayo dyan ng heart emoji. I-share nyo po ito kasi I'm pretty sure one simple share, again and again, one single invitation, one simple invitation could really change your future, could really change your business here in Live Good. Okay, so sino ba dito ang mga nag-live? Ayan pa ang mga nasa ating pong live. Okay, sa mga nag-heart emoji dyan, nagbigay ng reaction. Shout out to Coach Raquel Campanier, ayan po sa mga Live Good family, Tips Genis, hello, Nenita, LV Oraya, Norly Vicente, Junior Espinosa, Maria Veronica, ayan po, no? So mag-comment po kayo dyan sa ating pong comment section. Okay, shout out nyo po ang inyo pong mga team. Okay, at syempre mag-iwan po kayo ng bakas. Maglagay po kayo dyan ng comment, sabihin nyo po kung nasaan po kayo. Okay, and just simply don't put in live. Engage po. So kasi alam nyo, pag kayo po ay active na nakikipag-cooperate sa akin, ginaganahan po ako niyan. The greatness and the excitement of the audience at kayo po yun, nagiging excited at powerful din po ako. Okay ba yun? Can you please give me a heart emoji? Mag-comment po kayo, magbigay kayo ng heart emoji dyan po sa ating pong live. Now, let me continue. So, are you learning so far? Nagme-make sense po ba itong ating pong live? And today, I'm going to teach you how to master it. Okay po? Kasi alam niyo kung bakit sinasabi ko to. Nung nasa momentum ako ng Live Good business ko noon, I become silver in 1 day and a half. I become gold in 1 week time. At nag-platinum ako in 38 days and become diamond in 5 months. Okay. And right now, this is the wave 2, the true wave 2 that we're bringing it back. We're bringing it back and we're creating a momentum. We're having a truthel. Nagtutruthel po talaga tayo. Nararamdaman nyo ba yun? So, follow po kayo dyan po sa akin pong timeline as I gonna be posting something na makakatulong po sa bawat isa. Ipasa nyo po sa inyo pong mga team. Okay? So, now, the power of a single invitation. Hindi ko po sinasabi sa inyo mag-invite kayo ng isang tambak pero one single invitation, there is a power on it. So one invitation, it's all that it takes, no, to change someone's life. Isipin mo, one person at a time. So maybe they're praying for an opportunity right now. And your message is the answer. And this is exactly, my friend, to all my Live Good family, exactly what happened to me. When February 10, 2023, I was totally devastated nung dati kong kampaning isinara ng company na pinagtrabahuan ko for 10 years. Actually, 14 countries, no? Hindi naman po Pilipinas lang. And what happened was, I prayed so much. On that morning, memorable date, February 10, at 10 o'clock, when I conceded, nagsabi na ako, Lord, pag may sinarang pinto, may bintanang bubuksan. And I recited Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, the plans to prosper you and not to harm you, the plans to give you hope and a future. Imagine mo, nag-pray ako para makatulog ako kasi I was totally disturbed over the past few weeks that time. And when I woke up after 3 hours ng tulog, nakita ko yung powerful landing page ng Live Good. And mind you, the person who said it to me is Crown Diamond Fernan Santiago, na kung saan nag-invite na siya sa akin, tumawag na siya sa akin, and I said no to him. What happened was the timing was not yet perfect. But when the time comes na nag-pray na po ako, sinagot po ako ng Diyos. Sinagot din pa siya ng Diyos. Okay? And here we go. The same thing as you right now. Nakikinig ka. Maybe, okay, there is somebody among your friends and relatives who are into pain, who are suffering from some on her body, merong rayuma, may sakit na kung ano man dyan. We have these powerful products na kailangan po nila. Or maybe they are seeking for an opportunity kasi struggling na po sila. Nahihirapan na sila sa buhay and you are an answer to them. That is the miracle of one invitation. And what else? Maybe they're already stuck. They're already lost, looking for a way out. And your invite leads them to a breakthrough. Imaginein mo yon na ikaw pala yung channel of blessing sa kanila. Ikaw pala yung daluyan ng pagpapala sa buhay ng taong nagdarasal na yon. And that is the power of one single invitation. And maybe, okay, they're doubting for themselves. But your belief, since intentional ka, since you are building your business on purpose, your belief in them inspire to take action. Remember, no? Kaya tayo nandito sa Live Good, as I always share to you, is because we are here to become healthy. We are here to save a lot of money because we are the future Amazon of Network. And we are here to make money, extraordinary money. Would you love that? And of course, nandito tayo to help other people change their lives for the better. So, but here's the problem. May problema po itong mga sinasabi ko, no? Most people are afraid to invite. Maybe ikaw po yon, or maybe ang team mo takot mag-invite. Okay po? Nag-hesitate po na, at nagkakaroon po tayo ng tinatawag na overthinking. Paano na lang, no? Paano na lang pag nag-no siya sa akin? Nagmamatter ba yon? Alam mo, pag nag-no po ang mga tao po sa akin, doesn't mean na nag-no sila sa'yo. They just say no to the opportunity. At wag ko po kayong masasaktan. Kasi a lot of people will say no. They are not saying no to them. They are saying no to their prayers. They are saying no to the opportunity na ibinibigay mo sa kanila. So they miss out on changing lives, including their own. Kaya wag kang matakot, wag ka pong mag-overthink. And how is to make your invitation unstoppable? Gusto nyo ba yon? Hello, hello, hello! Sagot po kayo, gusto nyo ba na ang invitation mo ay unstoppable? Yung bang hindi ka talaga hihinto at mararamdaman nila na you are on fire. Okay, here we go. Okay, gusto nyo bang malaman yung mga sikreto? I'm gonna be sharing you some secrets. People don't join businesses, they join people. Ayaw nila ng network marketing, pero gusto ka nila kasi ikaw yung tao na maaasahan, ikaw yung tao na trustworthy, ikaw yung tao na may commitment, may dignity, ikaw yung tao na may integrity, ikaw yung tao na nakikita nila yung simbolo na kung ano ikaw. Hello? I know na lahat po tayo, we can influence someone. We can influence our friends, our family, our children. We can influence anyone. Ilan ang mga kaibigan po natin na hindi pa po natin yan natatap. So, if you really want na mag-yes po sila sa atin, gusto nyo ba yun na mag-yes sila sa atin? Invite them with energy, with belief, and with urgency. And you know guys, at this point in time, I gotta be unstoppable. At sa lahat ng mga friends ko dito sa Live Good, sa aking mga Live Good family, to my LGSEI team, no? Sa mga friends, kamag-anak ko na nandiyan, na hindi pa kayo sumasama sa akin, I'm sharing to you this, no? I am now on momentum. So, sinong gustong sumama? Kahit hindi ko po kayo ka-team, kahit hindi po kayo belong into my umbrella, from time to time, I gonna be sharing, I promise you, I gonna be sharing something of value na makakatulong ito for sure sa negosyo mo. And so much more to my LGSEI family. Your upline is here. I don't want to see you stuck up with your rank. I don't want you to, alam mo yun, na nandiyan ka lang. And I'm here to really coach and guide you. The question is, are you ready? So number one, paano ba tayo maramdaman ng tao na intentional ka talaga? At paano ka makapag-invite ng isang tao na makakapagpabago ng buhay mo at buhay nila. So number one, ready na po tayo? Are you ready? Can you please give me heart emoji and share this? Masaya po ako na i-share nyo to sa team nyo. So number one is you have to be authentic. You have to be authentic. Wow, that's a nice word. People can feel you're just trying to make a quota. Ramdam nila yun na hindi ka lang pang rank up. Mararamdaman nila yun. Mararamdaman nila na you are intentional. Okay? So, hindi lang pera, hindi ka lang naghahanap ng $25, hindi ka lang naghahanap ng pang matrix. No, it's not. Yung mararamdaman nila na authentic ka. Okay? Genuine ka. So like for example, hello, my cousin. I thought you because you know how hardworking you are. I'd love to check this out to you. Maybe ito yung exactly na hinahanap nyo. So, if you want to know it more, meron akong nilagay dyan aking pong timeline. Similarly na invitation format, pwede nyo pong i-edit na lang yun. Kopyahin nyo po yun at ipadama mo sa kanila yung intentionality mo. So, make it very, very personalized since kilala nyo naman yung taong ini-invite nyo. So, number one, it's authentic. And number two is you have to create urgency. Ayan. So, alam nyo, ako nung humahataw ako ng nararamdaman ko noong 2023, 2023, yeah. Alam nyo ba, nababovoice clip ako? Kasi, one thing that I could be proud, no, and I'm thankful, hindi po kasi ako yung lundag dito, lundag doon, na klase po ng leader. When I work in a certain company, I have this integrity na hindi loyal po ako, okay? So I work so hard on it. And then, when I call my leaders a voice clip, at sinabi ko, mag-block in ka na. Sabayan nyo na ako. Okay, bilisan mo at mahalaga yung oras. And most of them nag-respond. That is why in a matter of 1 week, ako po ay nag-gold at napasok po ako sa leaderboard. Okay? So create an urgency. So like for example, for tonight at 7 o'clock, we have a powerful session that could change the perspective, your perspective, or maybe on the perspective of your prospects on their financial freedom. I didn't want you to miss this, okay? Can I count on you? Masasabi ko pa na nandiyan ka, kasama ng team mo. Andiyan ka ba na meron kang kasamang guest? So, create an urgency. Huwag kang papayag na mamayang 7 o'clock sa ating pong Heroes United Cebu, no? The Simplified Interactive Business Opportunity Lecture na wala kang guest kahit isa. Kaya po ako intentional na nilagay ko po yung sarili ko ngayon sa live, no? Para itong live ko po ay makatulong po ito sa inyo. At mamaya sa Zoom po natin ay hindi lang po ikaw ang present. Present din po yung entire team mo, present yung mga kamag-anak mo, kakilala mo na you are of influence. So create an urgency. Make it, number 3, make it personal. So I hope na nag-jot down notes po kayo. At ito pong aking pong live, magagamit nyo po ito ng paulit-ulit. So you can replay this, okay? You can just share this to your team. You just can study it. Kasi sa totoo lang, invitation is the gateway to success. Okay, so number 3 na tip po, no, make it personal. Don't just copy-paste messages. So ako, meron po ako diyang nilagay. Pero kung hindi naman ka panipaniwala na ikaw ang gumawa nun, di ba, try mo yung gawin ng in a Taglish way or a Tagalog way or in an Ilocano way or a Bisaya way. So gawin mong personal na nagko-connect sa personality mo. Okay? Don't just copy-paste. Make a voice notes. Mag-voice clip ka po, no? Gumawa ka ng video call, mag-ask ka ng permission that you want to talk to them, or maybe you can just meet them in person. Make sense? Nagme-make sense po ba tayo? Hello. Nagme-make sense po ba tayo? Nakakatulong po ba itong mga sinasabi ko? So number 1, be authentic. Number 2, create urgency. Number 3, make it personal. And number 4, follow up with excitement. Mag-follow up po kayo with excitement. Most people won't say yes immediately. Hindi po yan nag-yes at isa po ako doon. At ako din po ay isa sa mga nega noon bago sa mag-network. So nakaka-relate po ba tayo? Kaya yung pasensya natin andyan yan and we need really to have that follow-up. So maraming mga tao, hindi po sila nag-yes agad-agad, no? But it doesn't mean na hindi sila interested. Your follow-up, nagpapakita po yan na ikaw ay seryoso. Hello? Para pong manliligaw, no? Hindi naman pwedeng halik agad, ano? So, pag nanliligaw ka, suyuin mo din, pakita mo din na sincere ka, andyan yung sundo, andyan yung hatid, di ba something like that? Nakakaano po ba tayo? Nakaka-relate? So, sana po, ito pong aking pong shinare sa inyo na 4 na steps, you're gonna use it in your invitation script, in your invitation style. Okay? So, be authentic, create energy, make it personal, follow up with excitement. And for tonight, okay, ngayong gabi, no, kaya po ako nag-live ngayon kasi ayoko na yung dati na hindi kayo nagte-take action. Ayoko na yung dati na attend kayo ng attend kayo lang. Kailangan ngayon, a-attend ka na may kasama ka. Kasama mo ang team mo, kasama mo ang guest mo. Isa, dalawang guests, hindi mo alam kung paano po yan mag-yes sa'yo. At hindi mo alam, yun na pala yung next diamond mo. Hindi mo alam, yun na pala yung next powerful leader mo. Like for example, in my case, don't you know that I am so thankful and blessed? I have my powerful leg, no, headed by this amazing couple. They are the first couple diamond in the world. At ako bilang enroller ni Diamond Charlene Caparoso, I'm so grateful because of that one single move, no? Na ako po ay nag-voice clip at tumawag at nag-invite. Ang dami kong tinawagan, ang dami kong in-invite, pero isa siya sa namumungkod tangi na nag-create ng urgency at ngayon nag-create ng massive organization. So shout out to Rainbow Club. I love you all guys, no? I'm proud of you. Go on, keep going. Okay? And I'm sharing it to you, everybody, that one single person could really, literally change your life for the better. So for now, kaya mamayang gabi, wag po kayong aatin na wala po kayong kasama. Okay? Mag-effort po kayo. Matatapos siguro tayo before 6 o'clock and you still have time to really make noise and mag-invite po tayo. At sa susunod, meron pa tayong Thursday. Meron po tayong sa Friday, magkakaroon na po ako ng 3 o'clock session for a short presentation. Meron din po tayong Sunday headed by Coach Santi Valenzuela. Okay? Sa Team Elevate Sphere. So, meron din po tayong Friday. Ito po yung ating pong product health knowledge. And tomorrow morning, we have also this mga heroes events na we're gonna be posting it here on the timeline. So you have so many venues na pwede po kayong mag-invite. Are you with me? So for tonight, ang focus po muna tayo. Focus muna tayo dito. Focus muna tayo sa para ngayong gabi. Ano yung focus po natin? Okay, make sure that you have your guest with you. Okay ba yon? Can you promise on that? Okay. Lagay niyo po dyan sa ating pong comment section. Promise, I'm gonna bring one. At least one. So sa 7 o'clock po, mamaya, no, we will be having a Cebol presentation. This is it. This is our simplified interactive and business opportunity lecture sponsored or hosted by Heroes United, okay? Where lives can change it in just one session. But that is only if there are people you bring in. Diba? So kahit naman ang ganda ng presentation, and the speaker that we have for tonight is no other than Diamond Coach Ferd Santiago. So kahit gaano kaganda po yung ating pong presentations, no? Kung wala naman pong guest, would it matter? Would it change? Wala. Bakit? Hindi po tayo nag-invite. Kaya dito sa mga nandito sa aking live, shout out, no? I hope that you're gonna be proactive. Can you please type proactive? Tatak mo po sa puso mo yan, be proactive. And by the way, segue ko lang po, no? Over the past few days, no? I'm running a process program, a transformational program. At punta po kayo sa timeline, mag-follow po kayo sa akin. Day 1 is all about mastering your mindset. Day 2 is all about the power of action. Number 3 is how you gonna sustain momentum. So meron po ako dyan mga tutorials that all you're gonna do is just do it. Read it, do it, process it. At kung talaga ikaw ay naghahangad ka na mag-step up, sundan mo po yun. And for tonight, no, again and again, bumabalik, sumisigway lang po ako, no? So, invite po kayo by 7 o'clock because we are having a powerful presentation through the presentation of Live Good. So, 8 o'clock, here we go, no? We have a podcast episode. And the podcast episode is we will be highlighting the journey of a solo parent, a solo mom who becomes successful in network marketing. So this is a proof that business works for anyone who are willing to take action. So sino po yung fini-feature doon? Yours truly. Because I've been in this industry for 17 years, ang dami ko pong mga masasaklap na karanasan, mahirap, at mamayang gabi po, i-reveal ko po sa inyo ano po yung naging journey ko. No? Bakit ko po naabot ito? From a struggling single mom na napuputulan ng ilaw, natatangay ang kontador ng Meralco, niloko, sinaktan, ano ba yon, binitray, alam mo yon, ang dami ko pong wounds, ang dami ko pong paghihirap. Pero paano ko po yon in God's grace na lagpasan? So see you all tonight, no? At can you please type in, no, kung kayo po ay sasama. So this is a proof, no, na mamaya sa ating pong live, no, this is a proof na you can be successful. Guys, you can be successful. We are all created for greatness. And you know who is the Father that put you here on earth. Si Lord yun. Dinesign tayo for greatness. So, abangan nyo po, punta po kayo sa akin po mga tutorial. And your challenge for tonight is, and on the next succeeding events na meron po tayo, invite massively. Invite massively. So before 7 o'clock, I challenge you to send at least 10 serious invitation. Magkaroon po kayo ng 10 serious invitation. Mag-voice clip po kayo, mag-edit po kayo dyan sa sample invitation na sinend ko, okay? Do it in, not just message, make it real, make intentional, make it powerful invites. Nagbigay po ako sa inyo ng mga tips, be authentic, create urgency, make it personal, follow up with excitement. Gawin niyo po yun. So that is my assignment for you. Kasi kahit anong ganda po ng akin po ditong sinasabi, kahit po highly energized po ako, I'm on momentum, kung kayo po hindi kayo magte-take ng part po ninyo, abay, nothing, useless, di ba? It will never generate result. So my challenge again, uulitin ko, before 7 o'clock starts, I challenge you to send at least 10 serious invitation. So who are they? Ito yung mga prospects nyo. At kung kayo naman ay meron pa yung mga group chats, yung apply ka, group chats ka at gusto mong palampagin ang grupo mo, send the general invitation na meron po tayo and send out a voice clip. Okay? Gamitin niyo po yung tools kung paano niyo po kayo mag-i-invite. And mag-drop po kayo sa comment section ngayon, guys, if you are still on live, drop in po, I'm in. I'm in if you accept the challenge. So nga, tingnan ko nga kung merong magko-comment po dyan. Can you please type on the chat box, I'm in. I'm in po. So kung nalikinig ka po dito sa ating pong live, sulat mo dyan sa comment section, I'm in. I'm in. Okay? Mag-i-invite po ba kayo? Then type on your on the chat box. So let's make tonight a game changer. Okay? Gawin po nating game changer yung event po natin mamaya. Okay? So your next leader could be just one of your invitations away. So let's make it. Live Good Family. Okay, declare no excuses. Because excuses are well-planned lies. Always remember this. Your circumstances do not determine your success. It is on what you do with your current circumstances that will determine your success. So thank you so much and God bless you all. Gamitin po natin yung aking shinare sa inyo ngayon. Okay? And see you all at the top. God bless!